also want to automatically add your leads to your CRM instantly, then this video can be really helpful for you. So in this video, I'll show you how you can create this amazing automation whenever you're going to receive a new lead from Google Ads, automatically a new contact will be created in your CRM. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. This means that you can add up to 100 of lead details for free in your CRM, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have attached the discount coupon code right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very good discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, I'll just let you know that this discount coupon code is only for the ones who watch our YouTube videos. But first, try Pabbly Connect, and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan. This discount coupon code is only valid on yearly and the lifetime deals of Pabbly Connect. And you're going to see that we have successfully opened this workflow builder. You just have to log in inside Pabbly Connect, open your dashboard, and then the workflow builder. And this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this, you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Google Ads. So let's search for Google Ads right over here and select it. For the event, we have to select it as new lead form entry and click on this connect. Now we have received this webhook URL, so just copy this webhook URL and open your campaign. And in this campaign, I've added this lead form, and the connection between Google Ads and Pabbly Connect is going to happen using this lead form only. What we're going to do is we're going to connect this lead form with Pabbly Connect. For that, we just have to scroll and you're going to see the option of this lead delivery. So just open it, and it is saying webhook URL. So paste the URL which you copied from the workflow right over here in this webhook URL field. For the key, enter the key and click on this send test data. Once you click on this send test data, it is saying test data sent. So let's open our workflow, and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the test data right over here. And as you can see that Pabbly has successfully captured the response for the test data. We're going to see the phone number, we're going to see the email, the first name and the last name. And now we're just going to add these details in our CRM. But first, I'll just let you know, if you want to create this automation for the real leads only, click on this recapture webhook response and wait until you receive a real lead. And also, you can create this automation using the test lead details like me, and it is going to run perfectly fine for real leads too. So totally depends upon you which option you want to choose. Now you have to click on this add new action step, and for the action application, search for HubSpot CRM and select it. For the event, you have to select it as create a contact and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between HubSpot and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with HubSpot CRM. Now you have to make sure that you've logged in a HubSpot account before starting with the automation, and then you have to choose the account which is the sub account. Once you choose the account, Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So give Pabbly all the permissions and your HubSpot CRM will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, Pabbly is going to ask you for many details, but you only have to fill in the details which are required or the details which you have of your lead. So we have this email address of our leads which is going to fill it in right over here, but we are not going to enter it manually by tapping it like this, but instead we will map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So as you can see that it is asking me for n number of details, but we are only going to map the details which we have of our lead. Like we have this phone number, email, first name and the last name. So it's just going to simply map these details right over here. If you wish, you can definitely map more details, but make sure that you only map the string value. After mapping all the details, just click on the save and send test request, and once you're going to click on the save and send test request, you're going to see that we have received the positive response that we have successfully created a new contact in HubSpot CRM. So let's open our HubSpot and we're going to refresh it right from here, and you're going to see that yes, a new contact is created. You're going to see the same name, same email and the same phone number using which we received the response right over here. And yes, Using that same details, we created a new contact in HubSpot CRM and completed this amazing automation. Now, whenever I'm just going to receive a new lead from Google Ads, automatically a new contact will be created in HubSpot CRM. So like this, you can also auto add your leads into your CRM instantly without any manual intervention. All of this is going to happen in backend further. And yes, now whenever we're going to receive a new lead from Google Ads, automatically a new contact will be created in HubSpot CRM, and automatically we can add all the lead details without any manual intervention. So go and try this amazing automation for your own business too. Further, if you want some another CRM application or another trigger application, you can request that in the comment section below. If you have any doubts, you can request that too in the comment section below. The workflow URL of this workflow is attached in the description box below, and also the discount coupon code is attached. You can check it out. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.